Alrighty, you ready to get into this? The best noodles and peanut sauce you've probably ever had. Back in the 80s and early 90s when I lived in LA, we used to have this dish at least once a week at a restaurant called Chin Chin. Well, we're doing it today on Buzz Cooks. So what you're going to need is something to mix in. 3 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. Add a little bit of warm water. Help smooth it out. Couple dashes of soy sauce, some sriracha, and we're going to mix this up real good. A little bit more water to give it to the creaminess we want. You don't want it too thick, and you don't want it too thin. You want it just the right amount of thickness so it sticks to our noodles. Alright, next we got to get some peanuts. So I've got some peanuts I'm going to put into a Ziploc bag, because I'm going to get my rolling pin out. I'm sorry, not the rolling pin, but my hammer out, and I'm going to mash them all down. And this is basically, part of this will go into the dish, the other part will be garnish. So we'll get those out of the bag into a little dish and have on the ready. Next, I got my Dutch oven out. Water's heating up. I'm going to add some salt, and once that becomes to a boil, we're going to add our pasta and cook as directed on the box. I'm using thin spaghetti. You can use whatever noodle you like, but this is what I had in the house. So, as that is just about done, I'm going to get my pan out, add some peanut sauce to the bottom. I have the heat on medium-high, and we're going to start to remove that pasta from the water, put it right on top of that peanut sauce. And while I'm doing this, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Every Wednesday, every Sunday a new video comes out. Hope you enjoy them. This one, definitely going to be a keeper for you, I guarantee that. Unless you don't like peanut butter, then forget about it. But everybody I know loves peanut butter. So we're going to get our pasta in there, and we're going to start to mix this up real good. You want to make sure that every noodle is coated nice with that peanut sauce. And while I'm mixing that up, one more ingredient we need is I've already chopped up some green onions, and I have those on the side as well for flavor as well as garnish at the end of the video. But let's get this mixed up. There we go. It's okay if you get a little bit of pasta water in there, it won't hurt. But you just want to make sure everybody gets coated nicely, because that's where that flavor is at. So we're going to add a little bit more peanut sauce to this dish. We need a little bit more in there. Put it right on top. There we go. And we'll give it another mix. Gonna add a little bit of the crushed peanuts as well. And get in there, mix that all up again. We'll give this a nice little toss with our pan. And it'll be time to plate. That's looking perfect right there. Alright, let's get this on our plate. And once we get it plated up, we'll add a little bit more crushed peanuts to it. We'll also add our green onions to it. And you are ready to go. Noodles and peanut sauce. Just like the old days back in Hollywood at Chin Chin's restaurant. Trust me, you give this a shot, your family's going to be wanting it every week. It's so simple. That's one of the best things about this dish as well, is you can literally put this together in under 30 minutes and feed the whole family. So enjoy this recipe, and we will see you on the next show. And remember, every Wednesday and every Sunday.
That's right, Buzz Cooks is back in the kitchen, bringing you a like, share, and subscribe. Because Buzz Cooks drops brand new shows every Sunday and Wednesday. So go ahead, hit that bell, and let's get cooking.